are pleased to show you the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, rear floor mats, tachometer, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.